How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best Gigabyte monitor settings for gaming. So the first thing that you want to do is to modify your refresh rate. From there, we then want to head over to our OSD controls. Most likely you can access this by clicking the joystick right beside your monitor or just pressing the buttons on the side of the monitor itself. Let's then apply our core setting. Once again, for refresh rate, this can depend on your model, but the higher the value, the better. For adaptive sync, you want this to be turned on, and for resolution, you want to use native. So if your monitor can support 2K, 1080p, and more, just simply use that resolution. For the picture mode, you want to use FPS mode if you're mainly playing shooters, and you want to use standard if you're mixing bit and both of your workflow. For performance, you want to use something like advanced or ultra because the highest one, which is going to be fast, can cause ghosting. For low input lag, you want to use on, and for visibility, you want to set your dark or black stabilization depending on your model between 10 to 20. This improves visibility in dark areas, especially when playing FPS games. For brightness, use 60 and 75, contrast 50 or 70, and the color temperature is going to be between normal and warm. And then you want to turn off two settings, which is going to be HDR and the extra filters and sharpening. And so that's going to be it for our today's guide. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.